Welcome back. This is Jeffrey, the Train Experts channel. This is the final video here at the Rynd Farm station. We should have a light powered train. Let's check it out, and it's right there already. Just in time right now. Shouldn't be a long one. Shouldn't be long. Let's zoom in now so we can, there we go. I should have stayed in the van instead of got out, or we kind of waited for the order of this until after the train, so we didn't want to do it again. Alright, that's gonna be it for this. That's gonna be it for this Rynd Farm station of the. Alright, that's gonna be it for this Rynd Farm station. Or that's gonna be it. I can't spit it out. Oh, I was going to say, that's alright, that's gonna be it. This is going to be it for the Rynd Farm station. That's gonna be it. That's gonna be it. Here, we'll get back on with the next train, and that's gonna be it for the Rynd Farm station for today, and we'll get back on with the next train at the Drakewell station after she does a couple things at her place, right? Talk to you later. Thanks for watching Jeffrey the Train Expert on YouTube. Remember, if you haven't already, again, start to subscribe to Jeffrey the Train Expert on YouTube, as well as Jeffrey's regular channel page on YouTube as well. Here's those grain hoppers right there, right? No GTX hoppers leaving Titusville. Huh? Because that's an empty one. Oh, before we roll it, before we get off, let's check we'll look by the Western New York and see if see if the engines are there, right? While we're there, right? See if the engines are coming, right? Here's a semi-truck. Yeah. There we go. Oh, nothing there. Alright, that's gonna be it. We'll be back on with the next train. We gotta thank the Rynd Farm station for doing these 3 train videos. So we're gonna get off and we'll get back on with the next train. Talk to you later. That'll be the Drakewell after we're done, after she's gonna do a couple things at her house. Talk to you later.